Hello everyone and good morning. This is the morning of the Ryzen 3000 launch. So we have an unboxing here for you. So this is the Ryzen 3700X from AMD. This is the 8-core 16-thread processor, which boosts up to 4.4 gigahertz with a base clock of 3.6. So this is newly released as of this morning, today. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for you and then see how it works. So we take it out. Be very careful with the cutting. Go ahead and open in here. Is the fan and cooler, and then we have the CPU. So you can see here some lighting, the Ryzen 3700X. Alright, looking at the fan. As you kind of remember from my 2700X unboxing, this is a very similar fan. Once again, I probably won't be using this fan. I have a custom cooler for it, so I'll probably be using that. But you can see this is a very nice fan. You've got your CPU connector, you've got your connections. You see here 4 RGB, and then it's got the included cables at the bottom. And as always, thermal paste at the bottom of the heatsink. But like I said, I'll probably won't be using this very much. So this is remember this is a RGB fan. So very nice for them to include this right outside the box. Alright. Moving this aside, get to this beauty. So we'll open this up. So we got obviously the instruction manual, and then we have the CPU. Get a good look, and then we'll take it out and show you. Get the focus, and then kind of the back. One additional note, there is an important information insert in the CPU. So this talks about 3000 series CPUs are compatible with the 500 series motherboards out of the box, and then the 400 series with a BIOS update for most. So I'll be running this with a X470. I already had the BIOS update done, and it's just kind of waiting for it to be installed. So just kind of a word of warning for everyone. This is something new that was not in the 2700X unboxing. Just some information, and this is kind of a 2-pager with a different language on the inside. Thank you for watching. I'll be installing this soon and probably release some nice benchmarks for my system with this. And if you like what you see, please make sure you click the like button and also subscribe. Thank you.